to go to the Bhai Maharaj Asthan at the General Hospital area. So there were all the Matajis, Mata Ram Kaur, Karan Kaur, Udam Kaur, and Ratan Kaur. They will just tell us, "Bachio, seva karo," and then they will make some tea for us. Then we sit around with the baja and tabla, but there was nobody to teach us actually. So some gyanis come, they will teach us something, one tal, another gyani comes, will teach another tal. So it's just a collection of various tal, Kerwa, Dadra and all that. That was our collection. There was no academy, there was no Kirtan teachers. So that's how we used to visit Bhai Maharaj Singh Asthan. And all the Matajis will tell us, Seva Karo. They will give us all the old pressure gas lamps, to be serviced at the Kampong Sila. So we used to help them. This kind of seva we used to do there.
Uncle Ji, can you tell us around which years was this? Was it in the 70s, 60s?
This was late 60s and early 70s.
Right.
Late 60s or early 70s.
So which year did the Samad move to this location?
Bhai Maharaj Singh Asthan he moved to Sila Road in 1966.
Right.
1966. So this was before 1966, and programs the ladies used to do carry on at the Sila Road. So the day Bhai Maharaj Singh Asthan came to Sila Road, and there happened to be a lot of Jod Melas here. So the Sangha come and a lot of programs were done here. So slowly the Gurdwara developed. They constructed a Langar hall at the side, and all the programs carried on at Sila Road.
So, Uncle Ji, how did you come to be associated with this Gurdwara? Because I've been seeing you doing seva together with Auntie Ji for so many years. I've been here for the last 34, and from even that time I've been seeing you, and I'm sure you've been doing seva here since you were a young boy. So why this Gurdwara? You feel this attachment to this Gurdwara? What's the reason?
I've been staying here in the Gurdwara complex since childhood. So naturally our love for this Gurdwara is there. And when Bhai Maharaj Singh Asthan came here, we continued. And of course, when the Gyanijis, I used to do Kirtan with the Gyaniji. And he also teach us some tals. I used to play tabla with him. And he also get me to change the Nishan Sahib cholas. So in this Gurdwara Sahib, the original Nishan Sahib is up at the roof area. So the access to this Nishan Sahib there was no proper access. So Gyaniji will put one timber ladder at the balcony area and ask me to go up. But it was quite scary, going onto the roof and then crossing over to the right hand side where the Nishan Sahib is.
How old were you there, Uncle Ji?
I was about, I think about late teens.
Late teens.
Yes. So, because the height was quite scary, the Nishan Sahib right at the rooftop was about 10 to 12 feet. So I have to climb up and put the Chola Sahib onto the Nishan Sahib and then come down the same way down. So that was one of the tasks, but have to do Guruji's Kripa, everything went on. So it was a seva.
Thank you, Uncle Ji, for sharing your memories of Gurdwara Sahib Sila Road. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa.
Vai Khalsa, Vai Khalsa.
Uncle Ji, can you point out to me where you used to climb for the change the chola? Mala Sahib?
It was behind the temple at the balcony area over this side, and Geniji
Where was
will
that
put a
again?
ladder
Over here?
over here,
Right.
and he will put a ladder up. I will go in and jump onto the roof. This was a flat roof,
Right.
and then slowly under the roof tiles and go across to this side.
Right.
This was the place where Granthi ji, Gurdwara Granthi used to stay.
Anji.
So the original Nishan Sahib position was here.
Right.
This was
Yes, we
about
can see
10 to
that,
12
yeah.
feet high Nishan Sahib.
Right.
So I would have to climb up and put the Chola Sahib onto the Nishan Sahib.
What an experience. Thank you for sharing that with us. Bagi the Khalsa.